This is Pat Ford's pencil. This is Pat Ford's desk. This is Pat Ford's view as he sits at his desk. And this is a film about Pat Ford, the cheesemaker. Pat is a cheesemaker, a skier, and a family man. He's also my dad. This is my dad's best friend, Tim. Together they started Beehive Cheese 20 years ago. Is it true you started Beehive Cheese because of a midlife crisis?
We wanted something new and exciting to do in our lives. We came home, quit our jobs, and started Beehive Cheese. We knew nothing about cheese making, so we took a 4-day short course up at Utah State and figured how hard can cheese making be. We really didn't know what we were doing, and we really got people excited when we started rubbing the outside of the cheese with flavors. One of our cheeses wins an award. We end up on Oprah's top 10 list, and we end up with our cheese on the Today Show. And that's when our business really exploded. Tim and I decided early on that we wanted to create a lifestyle company which allowed our employees and us to work hard, play hard, and enjoy time with family. Ogden's been my home my whole life, and I can't imagine living anywhere else.
Family is really important to my mom and dad. They've been married for 40 years. They have 10 grandkids, and they are incredibly involved.
Skiing has always been a family affair, and the thing that I love about it so much is not only skiing with my kids, but now I'm skiing with my grandkids. Life is a balance of work, play, and family, and I can't see it any other way. Making friends with cheese is our slogan, and we live it. We love it. We love coming to work. We love our community. We love Ogden. I don't think there's anything I would change. If I had 3 life lessons to impart, they would be love what you do it well, and enjoy it with your family and friends.
Say goodbye, Dad. Say goodbye, Dad. Say goodbye, Dad. Say goodbye, Pat. Does that sound okay?